On an AF Series combine, we have a standard speed and a high speed elevator option. The standard speed option comes installed from the factory with a high speed needing to be installed later. The standard speed option is about 8,000 bushels per hour and the high speed is around 10,000 bushels per hour. To install the high speed, we need to detension the belt, which allows us to quickly remove it for service as well as accessibility. Once the belt is removed, we will remove the inner pulley and then install our high-speed pulley as well as a new belt for the high-speed system. Once the belt is installed, we will use this handle again and retension and run our system. The high-speed and the standard speed elevator allows us to match our elevator speed for the crop type we are harvesting.